Let me take you back to 2015. Amit Bendov had just wrapped up another successful venture. He was a seasoned entrepreneur, well-versed in the startup game. But despite his past wins, there was one problem that haunted him throughout his career. One that never got solved. Every time he asked his sales leaders, "How's the pipeline looking?" the answers were vague, unreliable, and based more on guesswork than truth. Why? Because sales managers were flying blind. They had no idea what was actually happening in sales calls. They only saw what reps remembered or decided to type into the CRM. Now imagine this. You're betting your revenue on second-hand notes and gut feelings. Amit thought, there has to be a better way. What if AI could listen to those calls, understand them, and tell you what's really going on? And that's where the idea for Gong.io was born. But ideas are easy. Execution? That's where the battle begins. The first challenge? The tech. In 2015, natural language processing wasn't where it is today. Their small team had to build models that could not only transcribe speech but understand context, tone, intent, even objections, and then turn all that into actionable business insights. The second challenge? Trust. Reps didn't like the idea of being recorded. Managers were skeptical. AI analyzing our calls? Sounds like science fiction. And the biggest challenge of all? Training the AI with no data. They had to manually annotate hundreds of hours of sales conversations, one painful clip at a time, just to feed the machine enough to start learning. Most startups would have pivoted, but not Gong. They stuck with it, refining, iterating, listening to every early customer, and slowly proving one thing. This wasn't just surveillance. This was sales empowerment. The AI began to show patterns. Which words led to closed deals? Which objections lost momentum? Which deals were at risk even when the CRM said green? Suddenly, the sales floor wasn't flying blind anymore. They were operating with data, not drama. Fast forward to 2020. Gong wasn't just another SaaS tool. It was a movement, a new category. Revenue intelligence. Sales leaders started trusting Gong more than their own reps' reports. Gong helped companies close more deals, onboard faster, and coach smarter. By 2021, Gong was valued at $7.25 billion, used by thousands of companies. LinkedIn, Pinterest, Shopify, you name it. All because one founder looked at an old problem and asked, what if AI could fix this? So here's what this story teaches us. Real AI success doesn't start with algorithms. It starts with a painful business problem. AI should empower people, not replace them. And if you're willing to push through the early skepticism, the long nights, the training data headaches, you just might create the next billion-dollar revolution. Thank you. Keep watching this channel for more motivation and gain insights on how to achieve success.